Hey, hello guys. Welcome. Today would be solving Leetcode problem number 704, that is binary search. They have given us an array of integers. So basically, they've given us nums, um, which is sorted in ascending order. So and also they gave us the target and like whatever the target they gave. So basically, they are asking us to find if we have found it in the array or not, and if we have found that particular number in the array, so we will be returning the index. Suppose if you take the first example, they have given us an array which is sorted in ascending order, and they are asking to find if we have any in the like 9 in the this particular array. So if you see 9 is present in the array, so in arrays index would be starting at 0. If you see 0 1 2 3 4, so index 9 is at index 4, so we would be returning 4. So if you come to the next example, uh, next example, they are asking, they have given us again the array, and they are asking us to find 2, and we would be checking 2, and we don't have 2 in this particular array, so we would be rating -1. So we need to remember one thing. Whenever we have a number sorted in ascending order, that means it is a like binary search. We can go for the binary search. uh, so binary search, the advantage of using the binary search is we can solve this problem in big O of log n. uh, and we can solve this particular problem even in the linear search. But since an array is sorted in the ascending order, so we would be can directly to the binary search. So let's solve this problem. So binary search. So I would be taking left pointer and the right pointer. Left pointer pointing to the index 0, and right pointer pointing to the index last number in the array. So let's go with assigning the values. Nums, it should be index 0, and this would be nums dot length -1, since because array the index starts at 0. Okay, so we would be checking the left pointer is pointing at -1 and the right pointer is pointing at 12. So what we would do is we would find the mid of this particular index. So 0, this would be 1 2 3 4 5, and this would be 5. So we would be finding the mid. 0 plus 5, for that mid is 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2, so it would be pointing out to this 3. Mid is 3, so whatever the target we have, it is 9. So is it is equal, we will be checking it. So if it is equal, we will be directly returning that particular index, that mid. So if it is greater than that, if we take this example, 9 is greater than 3, so what we can directly exclude this part, since we won't be finding this particular 9 in the since because it is greater than 3, right? So we can exclude this. So we can start searching from this particular 5 to 12, and again we would be updating the left pointer to mid plus 1. So mid is this one, so we would be updating the pointer to mid plus 1, that is 5, and we will keep the right pointer to the same. So it would be like now 5, like left pointer is pointing to 5, and right pointer is pointing to 12. So now we will be finding the mid for this. So this one is 3, index is 3, and this one is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8, the mid of that is 4, so this is the index 4. So now that if you check this target value now, this would be equal, so we will be returning that mid. Likewise the loop goes until L crosses R. Okay, and if you don't find after L crosses R in that particular array, then directly would be returning -1. So our breaking condition is we will check for if it is if it is not crossing, L is not crossing R, until unless we keep checking the loop. So now we would be finding the mid of that, like once we got the left and right pointer as we spoke, we will be finding the mid. So what I would be doing is, instead of doing L plus, like this, L plus R divided by 2 directly, we can find a mid like this also, but the thing is that it's better to do like this, L plus R minus L divided by 2, to make sure that doesn't overflow, uh, doesn't overflow. Doesn't overflow. So now we got the mid. Now we got the mid. So what we'll be doing, we will be checking that mid index value with target. So we would be returning, if you find that target, then we would be returning a mid, that index. Otherwise we would check if target value is greater than nums of mid. uh, if it is greater, what we'd be doing is we'd be updating left pointer. That left pointer would be, sorry, here it would be left, since we've taken right, left. So here we would be doing, we'll be updating the left pointer, that would be mid plus 1. So we'll be searching in the right half. Otherwise, if it is not greater than uh, that index, if it is other, it would be the only other option would be either it would be equal, it would be greater, or it would be less than. So the remaining condition would be less than. So at that thing, I would be updating the right pointer, that would be mid minus 1. Okay, we'll be looping this until unless we find it, until unless L crosses R. If we don't find that, we'll be directly returning minus 1, that is we don't find that particular number in the array. So let's submit it. Sorry, we have to update it to left. So if you see that test cases have passed, and let's submit it. If you see, yeah, it is big of, should be big of login. So I think, yeah, it should be big of login, since we keep reducing each loop, we will be reducing to half, so it should be big of login. Thank you guys.